In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on security and privacy. Then you need to choose device unlock and tap on face unlock over here. Now enter your current screen lock. Hit setup at the bottom right corner and setup again. This time, after tapping on setup, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, select next. Then hit done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!